Hi and welcome to episode 5 in my GGBO22 scratch build entry. In this episode I'm going to try and get some serious work done on shaping the neck, and we'll see where we go from there. So the first thing I need to do is attach a couple of pieces of mahogany on the sides to accommodate the headstock width. My initial plan had been to cut and plane along the taper of the neck all the way along, and then stick laminated pieces of maple and mahogany on either side. But measuring it up, I need so little extra on either side that it seemed a bit of a waste. So I'm just going to cut out 2 small mahogany blocks.
Good enough for that.
So I'll just plane down the edge of this mahogany, get it nice and flat, and then cut a strip off that to use as our side pieces. Glue. There we go. I think 2 clamps is ample for that. That's lovely. Shall leave that and return. So I've left the headstock wings to dry overnight. So these be more than ready to come off. There we go. Now, while that's been drying, I went ahead and finalised and 3D printed my headstock design, which will sit just about there. So just like I did with the fretboard mitre box, I've notched the centre of either side of the print, so I can line it up as accurately as possible. That looks right. Okay. So I think it's about time we cut this out. There we go. It's starting to take shape nicely. I was going to use the template I 3D printed as a router guide, but I'm thinking I might just take it to the sander and shape it that way. I'll get the neck down to the final size with the router. Now that the neck is cut to shape, I'm starting to feel like I'm finally getting somewhere. Now, I'm sure you've noticed the masking tape. Now, I'd said that the chunk I'd taken out of the truss rod channel wasn't a problem, but every time I looked at it, it really irritated me. So I took some dust and some glue and I've filled that in. Now, I did film it, but due to me not thinking about what I was doing, I'd got the camera set up here, pointing directly at the masking tape, so you couldn't see what I was doing. So I didn't think there was any point to putting that in the video. That shall be revealed next time. And speaking of next time, I think I shall leave that for now. And in the next video, I shall be angling the headstock, drilling the truss rod access, putting a veneer on, drilling the holes for the tuners, and shaping the neck profile. Probably. So I hope you'll join me then. Cheers. Goodbye.